To remove this Upstream O2 sensor, you can come in from the top over the engine behind it. This is supposed to be clipped in over here, but for me it's not. We'll put it back when the time comes, but for now I'm going to unlock it. You have to pull this little tab through. There we go. Pull it straight through. Now you can lift up on this and just disconnect it. Get your oxygen sensor socket. Slide it over here, grab a ratchet or a breaker bar, whatever you have that you want to use, and let's go ahead and break this free. Now it's going to be pretty tight, just a warning. There we go. This one broke free easier than I expected, actually. And now go ahead and unthread it the rest of the way. There you go. Let's put the O2 sensor in, put some anti-seize on the threads of it. That will usually help it in the long run. It will prevent it from getting completely stuck in there. Let's thread it on all the way by hand. Grab your 22mm wrench and snug it up. That's nice and tight. Perfect. And now, make sure the wire isn't all twisted up. And then you can go ahead and connect it. Make sure that it clicks, locks in completely, and don't forget about the little locking tab. Just like that, and of course re-secure it where it's supposed to get mounted, right over here. Just like that. Make sure the wire's out of the way. Perfect.